to see you. Episode 15. Yeah, great music. Got a good recipe tonight. I went to the supermarket to get some lamb shanks. A lot of people like lamb shanks. They didn't have any. But what they did have was lamb shank meat. It's taken off the bone. I thought, oh, why not try it, see what it's like.
Oh, boy, is this great!
Toe that says they don't die, that says they don't try, that says they don't do what they wanna try. Hey, it's very nice when you're wrong, yeah. Says they don't do what the big says they love. Says they don't do what the big says they love.
The mail's in.
Thank you, Sting. It's for you, Mommy.
Thank you, darling.
So what I've got is, these are the lamb shanks, so they've been cut off the bone. Can you see that? Yeah. So we're going to do that with an orange sauce. So we're going to use oranges, the red onions and garlic, cherry tomatoes, plenty of olives, capsicums, grated carrot, stock, white wine of course to go in it. Just chopped up some rosemary and we've got a bit of thyme. Create some, what do you call it when you grate it on the orange? It's called something. Anyway, that goes on later. Goes into the casserole dish. I don't know, probably now we could do a tune.
Go time!
Okay, the next step is brown the lamb shank meat. I've already salt and peppered, seasoned all over. I think the oil's hot enough. I use quite a bit, about 3 tablespoons. Just get them nice and brown. We've got all the onions and the garlic ready. They'll be next. Then we'll put in the orange. After that, the tomato stock, bit of wine, and eventually, obviously, it's going to go in the oven. Probably about an hour and a half at about 180, 190. Here we go with the brownings. There's that. All you professionals, you know that the brown bits are always the best of things. So you can scrape them on the bottom. Wine's good like that, takes it off easy. Good. Just browned up really well. What do you think? Wow. In goes the garlic and the onion. And let's put the oranges in as well. I got some of these cherry tomatoes. I really like them. And be gentle with the bamboo stick. Probably time for the cup of white wine. Yeah, I reckon that's a cup. The olives. 2/3 of a cup of olives. And the grated carrot. Some capsicums. There they go. Next thing, some stock. Chicken stock. Some thyme. And chopped up fresh rosemary leaves. Stir that around. Cool.
push it.
I think we're just about ready. Put the meat back in. Let's do that now. Doesn't that look amazing? That's incredible. The colours are gorgeous. So, it's just as easy as chop back on and into the oven, and when we come back we'll put them on the plate and you can see what it looks like. So here we go. Casserole dishes come out of the oven, and now we're going to put it on the plates and you'll be able to see what the end result was. So here we go. See, it looks pretty amazing. That's it, look at that. Oh dear. This just tops it off. The orange zest. Wonderful. There it is. Tried something new. How cool does that look? I'm really pleased with that. That looks really great. So I hope you would have a go at this one. It's not expensive. Working on the lockdown inexpensive meals. This one falls into that category. So I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoyed the music tonight. Thanks to the guys for doing such a fantastic job. We'll see you again next week for another episode. See you later. Bye.
Love me, hate me, kill me, anything. Just let me know it. Just standing in the rain. Talking to myself.